That part right there, if your cruise control is going in and out, replace this part for the Ford Econolines. This is a 2005 5.4 V8 Triton engine, and we do pretty long drives, and it's nice to take your foot off the pedal and just kind of relax, set your speed and just let it do its thing. But for a little while I'd hit the cruise control and it wouldn't work, and then it would work, and then it wouldn't work, and then it would work. So I checked to see what the issue was, and that's it right there. All you need to do is unscrew, unplug, and replace. Simple. The brake fluid here will not leak out if you're just unscrewing that down there. So if that's a concern for you, no worries. But if your cruise control is intermittent, it might cause a problem. I don't know. I've heard stories where these things will catch on fire if you don't replace it, because the brake fluid is what turns it off. So when you hit the brake, it'll turn your cruise control off, and it lets some of that fluid in there to shut it off. I don't know how it works exactly, but if it's left open, then the fluid could start leaking and drip and catch. So you might want to fix your cruise control if it's going in and out right now. I'll put the link in the description of the part that I got for mine, but check your specific year, model, all that stuff to get the right one. This one went in about 5 minutes. Until the next one.